Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man, and it's time to make some soap. So let's try this. Try two. My camera cut off because it likes to think for me. Anyway, today I am going to be mixing fragrances together, using up some old fragrances, as you may have guessed by the title. So I have it all measured out here. I have 4 different fragrances. This is fresh picked strawberries, pink grapefruit, orange cranberry spiced. All 3 of those are from Wholesale Supplies Plus, Crafter's Choice brand, and the 4th is Brambleberries Peach Prosecco. All 4 of those behave very, very well on their own. I don't know how they'll behave when they're combined together, but each one behaves very well on its own and holds its scent really well. And they're all kind of in the fruity scent, so it really, really smells nice. I'm pretty. I think I'm gonna like that one. So the colors will be white with titanium dioxide. I'm going to be using neutral gray. I'm going to lighten it a little bit with some titanium dioxide. I'm using tickled pink from Mad Micas. I'm going to lighten that a little bit with some TD, and I am using blue shocker from Mad Micas. I'm also going to lighten that with a little bit of TD and just do a drop swirl. I think that's enough introduction, so give me just a minute and I will mix everything together and we'll start the pour. Okay, we're ready. So the first one is the titanium dioxide, and I do have more of that than usual because I want a lot of white to help separate these colors. So let me get my TD in there. I'm not actually going to stir that in just yet. Then this will be our platinum gray. With just a little splash of titanium dioxide to just lighten it up a little bit. So let's see what that looks like. And I'm doing a stronger or steeper than usual water discount because there's a lot of TD in this, so I'm kind of taking a risk with that much of a water discount and experimenting with the fragrance, but we'll see. Okay, that's about what I want. Then for our neons, I'm actually going to just stick blend those in. I don't have them pre-mixed, so I will let you see those when I stick blend them in. We can see what the colors look like. And here's our pink. Let's stick blend these. Let me stir this white first, yeah, because I am thickening just by sitting here because of the steep water discount. So let me mix that in as best as I can with my whisk. Then I will stick blend it, and then I'm going to have to move pretty fast, I can tell. So let me finish this and brighten this up a little bit. Much better. Then let's do probably our hot pink. Just put that under the head and burp it a little bit. Pull it up. And that's all it'll do. I will stir the fragrance in. Do the same with our blue. The same with our gray. Okay, now let's put our fragrance in to see what it does. Let me just do one, and I'm just going to hand stir the fragrance. Let me do this one first. So it seems alright. No ricing or anything like that, nothing weird. And I didn't think it would. It's just that I've never mixed these together, and I didn't know if mixing these different fragrances together might cause a new reaction. So yeah, that's actually slowing it down, which I kind of thought it might. Get the rest in her white and get it stirred in. Since we are behaving well, I am going to give this just a real quick hit to fully finish emulsifying everything. I mean, just a quick one. And we are behaving well, so good. Since we are, I want to lighten it just a little bit. I wanted these just a little bit lighter. Yeah, that's better. All right, one more time. Come on, fragrance. Hold up on me. Hold up on me. Much closer to what I wanted. But we are starting to thicken. I got to move. So I am going to pour a lot of the white in first. And then drop swirl these in. that worked out pretty well. This is rubbing alcohol to prevent soda ash. I will let it sit 5 minutes and squirt it again. I will put it on a heat source. I set it on an electric radiator for about 30 minutes. I've done it for years and years. I know what I'm doing. That just forces it into gel and gets brighter, more vivid colors, and I can unmold it a lot quicker and easier. So anyway, that's what I have for today, and I'll see you tomorrow for the cut. Alright, we're back to cut our soap, and so far what I see I really like. Everything's nice and slick and shiny as glass. Feels like a nice hard bar, so let's cut into it and see what we have. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, it's hard. That water discount really made a difference. Or maybe I should say that further water discount, because I always do a water discount. Oh yeah, very nice. Smells good too. Yeah. So let's see what the bars look like. Very nice. And let's see if this other one looks similar. I tried to get the same number of passes on both sides of the mold, so let's see what this one looks like. Or if it's totally different, which it sometimes is. So there's the end cap, which I think they're going to look different, even with the same number of passes. Yep, sure does. So I will finish cutting these and I'll get a picture uploaded. So here's the one log, the end of it, and here's the other log. But just the same, I'm really happy with these and really happy with this fragrance combination. Just using up old fragrances, really pleased. So that's what I have this week, and thanks for watching like always, and like always, stay safe and take good care of yourselves and be blessed, and I will see you next week. Bye everybody.